Students, now our topic of discussion is depreciation. In depreciation, the final account statement will be you have to write in the debit of the PL account and you to subtract from the asset. Or you can write in the liability side as provision for depreciation. It all depends what journal entry is passed. If the journal entry is with asset, then it will be subtracted from asset. If the provision for depreciation is maintained, then we will write in the credit of balance sheet, that is the liability side we will be showing. When we are not preparing the provision for depreciation, then this is the journal entry, depreciation account debit to machinery. If we prepare the provision for depreciation, then the journal entry is depreciation account debit to provision for depreciation. Let's understand this entire depreciation with an example. When the provision for depreciation is not maintained. Example, suppose machinery value in the trial balance is 10,000 and it is written in the adjustment charge depreciation at the rate 10%. So we know 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. Our journal entry will be depreciation account debit to machinery 1,000, 1,000. Now in the P&L account it will be shown as to depreciation, and in the balance sheet it will be shown as machinery less depreciation. Why we are writing to depreciation? Because it's an expense. Any expense are written in the debit side of the P&L. If we make a ledger account from this journal, then you will be able to understand more clearly. Let's understand with a ledger account. From this journal we will do ledger posting in machinery account and depreciation account. So say students, depreciation account we are writing to machinery 1,000 and that depreciation value is transferred to PL account by PL account. In the PL account we will be writing to depreciation. So by PL account to depreciation, the journal entry is what? PL account debit to depreciation. The second journal entry we can show PL account debit to depreciation. Then if we are opening a machinery account, it will be written over there as by depreciation in machinery 1,000. And in the machinery account there is a balance of 10,000, the machinery value. So the balance carried down is 9,000, which is shown in the balance sheet as machinery 10,000 less depreciation 1,000, balance carried down 9,000 is the machinery value. So we can show one more journal entry over here, that is PL to depreciation account. That's why in the depreciation we have written by PL.